How you gonna tell me I'm not good enough? How you gonna tell me I ain't got the right stuff? How you gonna tell me me? Well, how you gonna tell me not good enough? Good enough for you. I like that song. Thank you for listening to me. My name's Sonia Javette. I got new CD on cdbaby.com/Sonia Javette. And please join my group or subscribe to me here at stage.tv or Facebook or Twitter or something. Yeah, Moon, honey does sound good. She sounds like honey. I'll be playing live fishing promoter Saturdays for the next month. I would love to come to Austin. I haven't been there in a long time, actually. I just need some place to play out there. So if you can hook it up, G. Love to come out there. Let's do the Big Girl song, 'cause it's my favorite song. 'Cause I'm a big girl. You got your wobbly wobbly? You got your wobbly wobbly. And my favorite part is to watch my avatar bounce with it, baby. I'm a dork. Don't pay attention to me. Sweet. Leah, thank you for the Linden, sugar. This song's called Big Girls. It's definitely on the new CD. Hey, Robin Kirby, nice to see you. Technology is my friend. Getting contacted between Twitter, Facebook, MySpace. Let me make it dirty for you. Yeah, Moon, you should come up here and dance with me. Y'all come closer. Big girls need loving too. Honey, big girls need loving too. Not you, Christopher. Big girls, well, need loving too. Big girls, they need loving too. Bigger the cushion, better the wobbly wobbly. bigger the cushion, better the wobbly wobbly. Bigger the cushion, better the better, better the better, better the better. Big girls, no web design. Honey, big girls know how to play shampoo. Big girls, well, like to play guitar. Big girls, they will rock your world. Bigger the cushion, better the wobbly wobbly. Bigger the cushion, better the wobbly wobbly. Bigger the cushion, better the better, better the better, better the better. Look, here she comes, here she comes. Got her high heels on, got a drink in her hand.